Okay, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the right side wall with the window, the last wall for the food shack. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and let's click on the right side, and we're going to draw the bottom plate first. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the visibility of that left side. Okay, so that way I can see where all the corners are. See that? Now I click on the wash it. So let's draw the bottom plate for the right side. Create new sketch. I'm gonna click on that bottom plate right there. 2-point rectangle. Then let's go up for that corner. Then we're gonna go up 1.5, tab, and then we're gonna go across 85 inches. Finish the sketch. The home view. Okay, click inside the sketch, right click, left click, right click, extrude. New component, and then we're going to go back, negative. Let's go the distance. The mouse, negative 5.5. There we go. Okay. Hit OK. Hit OK. What's going on? All right, negative 5.5. Okay. Hit OK. Let's try it again. Left click, right click, extrude, new component. Let's do it from here. Negative 5.5 is the distance. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and rename this component. Right, this is our first on the right side. This is going to be the right side. Bottom plate, 2x6 at 85 inches. Okay, there we go. Let's see, make sure that fits. Okay, perfect. And so now I'm going to go ahead and just change the appearance of it. Okay, let's go ahead and make it yellow. Just the contrast. Oh, that's not really yellow. Let's go make it pink. Okay, you don't have to change it, but for the video, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so now we're going to draw the studs, just like on the other side. So what I'm going to do is, okay, let's do the left side and right side. Create new sketch. I'm going to click on this stud. Just want to draw next to it. 2-point rectangle. I'm going to go right in. We're going to go up 80 inches and 1.5 inches across. Finish the sketch. Hit the home view. Click inside the sketch, right click, extrude, new component, and then we're going to go back, negative 5.5. Okay, there's our stud right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy it. Let's name it and copy it. Right side stud, 2x6 by 80 inches. Okay, I'm just going to leave it pine. Move copy, create copy. Okay. And then we're going to go all the way here. I believe it's going to be almost 83.5. Oh, not too far. Is it 83? Where'd it go? Let's try that again. Okay. Right side stud, modify, create copy. There we go. Now we're going to go negative 83.5. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to turn on the visibility of that stud and that stud, because that's where we're going to put, we're going to match up our two other studs here. Okay. And in the middle, I'm going to leave the middle hidden because we're going to put a window underneath. Okay, actually, let's go ahead and put the top plate too. Okay, so we're going to copy the bottom plate. Okay, move copy, clip capture position, create copy, and then we're going to create a copy to make the top plate. So we're going to go up we need to go up 81.5, I believe, right? There you go, because we want to line up. Hit OK. So now this one, we'll just rename it really quickly, bottom and top plate. So I'm going to do top / bottom plate, because when you make a copy, it stays the same name. Okay, so there we go. See how that kind of sticks up a little bit, but that's okay for this video. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this stud here and here. Okay. No, actually, we're gonna do the window first, because I believe we're gonna put a 48-inch window. Let's see what the distance here. You know, maybe it'll be perfect from here to here. How much is that? 42. Okay. Let's just put a window. Okay, we can do a window right there. I really want the window to be 48 inches, but let's see. I can see that other stud. Let's just show all of them. Left side. What is this phantom one right here? Okay. Left, 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 left. We're gonna turn off the left again. No, and then oh no, I turn off the, okay, so I have the right side, that's the left side, this left side, this left side. Okay, we can put in a window, right in here. Okay. So create new sketch. I'm going to click on the top plate, okay, on our right side. Oh, no, I don't trust that. Create new sketch. Let's click on this stud. Then we're going to draw a window to fit in between these studs. And then we're going to move it down. Okay, so that's why I'm going to draw it on the top part. So we're going to go here, all the way to here. What's that distance? 40 inches. Okay, we'll leave it at 40, and then we'll go down 48. Okay, 40 by 48 for this window. Okay, finish the sketch. See, there it is right there. Right, left click, then right click, extrude, and then we're going to go back, -5.5. Okay, that's the door opening. I'm going to go ahead and change the physical material. Let's make, oh, no, I don't want to change that. You know what we didn't do is let's go back. We need to change the operation back to new component. That's what we didn't do. -5.5. Okay. There's a new component. Let's go name this right side window. Okay, right side window opening, 40 by 48. Let's write the inches on there. 40 inches by 48 inches by 5.5 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to go to modify. I'm going to change the physical material. Let's make it, oh no. Every time I do that, it changes all the other one. Click on it, modify, physical material. No, okay, physical material. We're going to make it, okay, OSB or MDF in this case. Okay. Okay, so now let's draw the other studs. Actually, draw the other studs and move the window down a little bit. Okay, we forgot to do that. So let's go ahead and copy this stud. Create copy. Okay. Put it right. Let's do -63, -62.5. Perfect, -62. Okay, create this copy. Click on that stud. Right, we're gonna copy this side. I think it's -21. Sure, there we go. See that? Now we're gonna move that window down. Okay, so let's click on the window opening. Just gonna move it down. I'm gonna eyeball it, honestly. Okay. So it fits kind of almost center. Okay. Let's just do it negative. Let's do a -12 down, -12 down, just like that. Okay. And so now I'm going to do the header, and then we'll do the 2 cripple studs. Okay. See that? We still need to do cripple studs here, and cripple studs on the top, cripple studs on the bottom. We're going to draw the header and the lintel first. So I'm going to create new sketch. Click on this stud, capture position, 2-point rectangle. Grab that corner, and then we're going to go up 1.5, and this distance should be 40, correct? See if that matches up. Finish the sketch. Okay, let's look at it. Yep, I believe it right. Okay, click inside the sketch. Right click, left click, right click, extrude, new component. We're gonna go back, -5.5. There we go. Let's leave it at that material right there. Okay, now we're gonna do the lintel. Oh, see how there's a little gap right there, a little space? That's okay. I'm gonna leave it. Actually, let's copy it. Okay. Let's name it first. Okay, so this is gonna be right side header / lintel, because we're gonna copy it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rename it now. Right side header lintel. It's a 2x6 by 40 inches across. Okay. All right. Enter. Okay, so now we're going to move copy, create a copy, and let's go down and make the lintel. Little gap, -50.5. This needs to be -51.5, -50.5. No, -50, -49.5. Okay, let's leave it at that. Okay, so see that? So now we just need to make the cripple studs here. Okay, and we're gonna line it up with the left side ones back there. Okay. Actually, what I'm gonna do is do 2. Okay. So that's gonna be here and here. Okay, create sketch. I'll click on this stud. Oop. 2-point rectangle. Let's go up. What's this distance? 10 inches. Tab, and this will be 1.5. Finish the sketch. Click the home view. Left click, right click, extrude, new component. And then we're going to go back the distance, -5.5. Hit okay. Look, I just saw that last. Oh, that's -10 is not big enough. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so I'm going to name this right side. Triple stud, and it's going to be 2x6 by 10 inches. Enter. Let's go make 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see. Create pattern. So I want to do 4, including the one we just highlighted. Okay, select this direction. See that? I'm going to go all the way like this. There's a gap. See that? But that's because I didn't make it high enough, but that's okay. Okay, hit okay. There we go. See that? So if I look at it from the home view, now I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, my cripple stuff. Now we're going to do it for the bottom. Okay. All right. So I'm going to draw 4 here. Okay. So create sketch. click on this stud, 2-point rectangle from up here, and this is going to be, let's just, whatever that distance is going to be. It's going to be 1.5, and then we're going to go up 18.5, 18.75. Yeah, let's go 18.75. Finish sketch. Right click, left click, right click, extrude, new component, and then we're going to go back. Okay, 5.5. Okay, make sure. Oh, you know what? Where'd it go? Oh, yeah, it's there. Just can't really see it. See that? I'm trying to rename it. Where'd it go? It's it right there, right? Finish sketch. There it is. Okay. Right side. This is going to be the bottom cripple stud. And this is 2x6. 2x6 by, what was it? 18? 18 inches? Okay. Enter. All right, so now I'm going to pattern it. Okay, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Okay, including the one we're going to pattern. Pattern, rectangle, and then we'll do 4, suppress. Okay, and then it's asking for the direction. We're going to go in this direction. All right, 1. I did not put 4. 4. There we go. I want to get all the way 38. Do what? 30. Because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's do 38. 38.5. Okay, 38.5. I'm gonna leave it at 30. Okay, so there we go. So now, if you look at it, now we got our cripple studs, our 1, 2, 3, 4 studs on the right side. Okay, so now we have to do the drawing. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this. Save it and rename it as we go. So now we're gonna save it as the right side with the window, right side wall, window, enter. Now we'll just have to do the drawing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the drawing for the right side. So I'm gonna go design, drawing from design, and then I'm gonna choose select. Okay, so I'm gonna select anything that just says the right side, which is all here. So I'm gonna left click, and then with my finger on the control button, I'm gonna select everything that says the right side. So that one says right side. Okay, is that all of them? Okay. All right, hit OK. I'm gonna click on the A size instead of the title block template because we're gonna need to make room on the sheet. 11, the A size 11 by 8.5 drawing sheet. Okay, just see in a second. There we go. So I'm gonna make the scale 1 inch to 1 feet. Let's look at it from we're looking at it from the right. Right, there we go. We're looking at it from the right. Okay, I'm gonna click shaded, hit OK. All right, so I'm gonna left click on here, delete that part, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and dimension it. Click on dimension, right? Just so you guys can see when we scale it down. Oh, I don't like how far that goes up. Okay, let's dimension here. And here, I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, and here. And then let's do good morning. Here, I'm recording a video. Here, whoop, let's do that again. Dimension here. And here. Okay, this should say 40 inches. Let me try it again. Oh, see how I didn't go far enough on, see how the line, I didn't go far enough on this stud right here. It should be 40 inches. Okay, so let's undo that. Okay. I'm gonna go dimension. Let's go from here to right where it says 40. See that? It should be 40 inches, okay? And then here, all right, from here to here is 10. Here to here should be about 11-ish, okay? Because when you're scaling it down, you're gonna have to eyeball it, okay? Here for your models to here. Let's try that again from here, here, 18.75. Okay. And then this distance, 11.75. Okay. So now, just gonna bring this down a little bit so we can center it. Okay, so you can see it off the paper. All right, so now I'm just gonna add the text. So this one is going to be called, okay, right side with window. And I'm doing the 2x6, right? This is fourth period. Fourth period. Make that look pretty. Let's move this down a little bit. There we go. Okay, and that's it. Oh, let's go ahead and save it. And then you can print it out and then we can start modeling, building it with the scale.